Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum and Litecoin has moved in the last week and how these cryptocurrencies can move in the next week. See, suppose if you look at the chart of Bitcoin, what you can see, a pattern towards an upside is created. Okay, if you look at the chart, we can see a narrow pattern is forming in this particular zone. Okay, and I've already told you in my previous video that if it sustains above a level of 38, we can see a level of 40, and then we can see a level of 46 also. You can check my previous video where I've already told you this. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt regarding any crypto or forex or any other commodities, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in Bitcoin and other commodities are working or any crypto. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description. You can join. Now look at the chart. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, Bitcoin can touch a level of 48,244, and this level is already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of 51. Level sustain, then we can see it can go move further upside towards a level of 57,281, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level 59,863, and these levels are already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see a level of 62 also, and then we can see a further upside. But suppose if the Bitcoin didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can fall towards a level of 44,113, and once this particular level, and this is a strong support, if this sustain, what we can see, a bounce back we can see, or if this level didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 42,822, and suppose the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 4240, and from there we can see it can fall towards a level of 3600 also. Once if it didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can fall towards a level of 34, and once 34, if it goes below level of 34,000 and it goes below this particular level, then we can see it can fall further low, because this is the range where it has moved for a longer time. And once if it goes below a level of this, below 29, then we can see it can fall more. Okay, but if we talk about Dogecoin, if we talk about Dogecoin, what you can see, a Dogecoin is continuously in the downtrend, but what you can see looking at this chart, that there is a probability it is trying to move up. But suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, it can move further upside towards a level of 0.563, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can move towards a level of 0.15761, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 0.2159. Suppose the price goes above this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 0.2269. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 0.2954. Suppose, and if the Dogecoin didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, if it can go further low towards a level of 0.100, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 0.0768, and then we can see it can move and come in this particular zone. If we talk about Ethereum, that Ethereum is continuously moving upside. Okay, from second week of March, we can see that a trend is towards our upside. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, we can see Ethereum can move towards a level of 3525, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of 3683. Suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 3984, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 34350, and then further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can move further low towards a level of 3366, and from there we can see a level of 3303. And suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 3192, and if the price falls below this particular level, then we can see a level of 3034. Suppose if it falls this particular level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 2891, and from there we can see a level of 2765, and once this particular level goes down, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 2733, and from there it can move towards a level of 2462. Okay, and then it can go further low towards a level of 2258, and from there we can see further downside of Ethereum. But if we talk about Litecoin, if we talk about Litecoin, what we can see, Litecoin is currently trading at around 126.103. Suppose Litecoin is currently trading at around 10126.158. Suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can move towards a level of 134.164, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 144 106.976. Okay, suppose the price sustain more above this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 153, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 167, and then further upside towards, because this particular range will break upside, and then we can see towards going towards a level of 2236. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can move fall towards a level of 118, and from there we can see a level of 116.15. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 101 also, and once this particular range breaks downside, then we can see a fall below a level of 70 also for the Litecoin. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.